Hello, my name is Patanon Sopon Visheta Wong. I am from 3BCAB and today I would like to present about computer networks topologies. So the first thing, what is topology? Network topologies refer to be a physical or logical argument of devices and communication links in a network. So topology describes how computers, servers, switches, and other devices are connected to each other and how data flows through network. The next is the type of topology. The first is bus topology, star topology, ring topology, mesh topology, tree topology, and lastly hybrid topology. So there are 6 major different types of topology, so let's discuss each one briefly. So the first is bus topology. The advantage of it has low cost and it's easy to install. And the drawback is it has a backbone failure that affect the entire network and it's difficult to troubleshoot. So in bus topology, all devices share a single communication cable and it's called backbone. And it is inexpensive, but it's not really reliable. So the next is star topology. It's easy for maintenance. The advantage is easy for maintenance. And failure in one of the nodes does not really affect the other ones. But the disadvantage is it has a switch failure that affects the entire network. So in star topology, all devices are connected to a central switch or hub. But this is the most commonly used topology today. This next one is a ring topology. The advantage is it has no data collision at all. But the disadvantage is it has one failure may affect the whole network. So in ring topology, the devices form a circular path and that the data travels from one device to another around the ring. Next is mesh topology. So the formula for the mesh topology will be links n square bracket n minus 1 and divided by 2. The advantage of the mesh topology, it is highly reliable and fault tolerant. But the only disadvantage is it's expensive. So in mesh topology, every device is connected to every other device. And it provides the maximum reliability, but it requires many cables, so it's expensive. Okay, the next is tree and hybrid topology. So tree and hybrid topology. So a tree topology is a combination of star and bus, mostly used in large organizations. And hybrid topology is a combination of multiple topologies. It is flexible and scalable. So tree topology is a hierarchical in a structure, while hybrid topologies come in 2 or more topologies according to organization needs. So what to compare about this? So for the bus topology, so I want to compare topologies in between here. Okay, so first is bus topology. The cost is low, reliability is low. Star, the cost is kind of medium and reliability is high. Ring topology, the cost is medium, reliability is medium. Mesh topology, the cost is kind of high, but the reliability is very high too. Tree topology, the cost is high and its reliability is high. And hybrid one is the cost is very high and also the reliability is very high too. So to conclude, the network topology determines how devices are connected in a network. So each topology had its own advantage and disadvantages. So among all the topologies, I think that star topology is the most widely used because it's easy to manage and highly reliable. Thank you.